In this video, we want to use Azure Premium P2 license for Azure Active Directory to be able to use conditional access policies if you want to activate MFA for a specific Azure Active Directory groups, or if you want to log the activities, the Azure Active Directory, or if you want to use PIM or privileged access management for just-in-time access, or to give the permissions to specific Azure Active Directory groups to be able to use it only for a short time or for a specific uh, day for a specific time. Now it's important. I'm using my account which I use to buy or activate Azure or Azure subscription. But this user is a global admin, but it doesn't have enough permission to buy P2 premium license. And first, I have to go to Azure Active Directory to create a user and give a global administrator role to this user. I simply go to my um, Azure Active Directory users, create a user and give global. I have created it already to only show you. And I assign a role to this user as it comes right now, global administrator. After I have created this user, I should change from my account to this global administrator. I have already signed in with this user. Therefore, I don't go to the page where I should change my password for the first time that I log into Azure Active Directory. And we go through the step for buying P2 Premium P2 license. First, I should go to Azure Active Directory. Then I have to go to licenses. In licenses, I have all products. Then I can use bills. It is a link to uh, admin panel. I have already bought a premium 2 license, but I want to show you where you can buy it. You can go to purchase services. Then you can looking for premium P2. You'll find the premium P2 for Azure Active Directory here. You can go to details and then you can buy the premium license here. You can even tell how many accounts do you need and then go through the process of adding to the card and purchase the licenses that you want. You can even pay for licenses monthly or yearly, but it depends on you and your scenario. Then you can go to licenses and you see the license that you have bought and how many you have bought. You can go to users, active users. You can assign the premium P2 license to any user that you want. In my case, I assigned it to, I think, my global, maybe. Yes, I have assigned it to here to this user. You see that I have one license and I assigned it to this user and I don't have any license anymore. And then save changes. And then this user will be able to use P2 license. You can even go back to your Azure portal under all products, under licenses in default directory. You can see the total license that you have and how many license it has been assigned. And based on that, for example, In this case, because my global admin has the license, then I can go to, for example, security is one of them. Security, conditional access, then I would be able to create new policy. In next videos, I would show you what you can do with Premium 2 license of Azure Active Directory.